You alright? I'm back. I've had like a couple of week hiatus and just been doing stuff. Nothing on the Civic. So it's been a while since I've done anything. About 2 weeks. Weird fly. Because I've been waiting for two things. One is my windscreen. That is nicely done. Perfect. And the guy from Auto Glass as well. I don't know his name, otherwise I'd say his name. He fit me, get it on a bloody stand. Oh, this is just fucking... Who'd have fucking invented a tripod? I'll do that one in a sec. We're going Mimms on the 9th of December, so I kind of need the car ready and fireproofed. And I'm actually in the show and shine bay, and I don't know, they mustn't have enough cars in, that's why they let me go in. All I wanted to do was, I just wanted to be somewhere where people seen it. You know what I mean? I'm fed up of being in a corner with a stand, and every stand that we've been on has been mint. I just wanted to be in the main bit. I'm not bothered about, I don't want to win anything. If I win something, it's a bonus, but I don't think I will anyway, because I've got dodgy paintwork and dodgy bits all over the place. I just want my cheap ass eBay build turbo to be where everyone else's dead expensive builds are. I've got new scuttles to put on. I've got my rocker cover to put on if you've seen on the Instagram, and my turbo cover to put on that Mark from Scotland painted for me. So if you need anything painting, contact Mark Patterson on Instagram, round about there, and get a quote off him, send him my shit, he'll send it back, painted, lovely. So today I've just got to put my scuttle on, bonnet exhaust isn't staying. It's going, it's just fucking, it's wicked, big flames, nice and noisy, but it's the gases, you just can't fucking breathe. It's usually it's like a daily or a civilized car, it's pointless, it's ridiculous, it's a big ridiculous thing. I have to cover it up if it rains, otherwise my sensors get fucked. I have to, every time I start it up, this shit happens. All that black shit, there, all this black shit, there. That comes out every time you start it up because it gets moisture in, condensates, and then spits lovely shit everywhere. So it's never fucking clean. It does me head in. It's just a bit irritating. Like I said, it's not irritating, it's the smell. So when we went to VTech Junkies, we were like delirious. We were like proper fucking, our heads were banging, man and Sam's. And it just ain't good. It ain't fun driving it when all you can smell is unburnt fuel and burnt fuel and carbon monoxide and shit. Even though carbon monoxide doesn't smell, but you get the drift on what I mean. It fucking stinks, and just having a headache. That was only like an hour and a half drive, so I couldn't imagine doing anything more with a bonnet exhaust unless it was outside. So while you're here, I'll show you something retarded that I did. So I took out my cylinder one to check my spark plugs the other day, right? See them 3 bumps there? These 3 here. And suspiciously, they are right above cylinder 1. So I come in work after being on holiday just to check my windscreen was done and stuff because I weren't here, and I seen these 3 dints and I'm like, what the fuck is that? Who's done that? So ringing everyone at work to try and figure out if the guy that did the windscreen did it, or if they noticed it. And they noticed it on the Friday and I left on the Thursday, so it's got to be something that I did. And I sat thinking, I was like, what have I done? I'm like, oh shit. Got my K-Pro back off Jesse. I got a K-Pro V4, so I'm gonna do some data logging because I'm still getting overboost issues and shit, and I shouldn't really be getting it. It's doing me head in. So I bought a V4 so that I can data log it, see what's going on, see if I can solve it that way. If not, I'll have to take it to the rolling road. So I took the spark plug out the first cylinder with the coil pack to see what it looked like, and I was like, yeah, it looks alright, a bit fucking burnt like, but, and I just sat it in with the coil on top. I didn't screw the plug in. So I plugged my K-Pro in, and I was like, I'll just see if it starts, make sure it's still got my map on. As I started up, it starts running on 3 cylinders and banging and banging. I'm like, fucking hell, so I turn it off, and I did it 3 times. 3 times, that coil pack went up and smacked the bonnet and left 3 lovely dints in. Didn't break my coil pack, but it's dinted my bonnet, so that was just a proper mong moment. So, but luckily I didn't notice it on the day, otherwise I would have been pissed off. But now I've seen it, I'm like, it's bonnet's scrap anyway, carbon's going on. Anyway, back to this. This is what happens when I don't do a video in ages. I end up just fucking talking and not doing any work. So, there is my new windscreen. Oh, lovely. So I've got no sun strip. I've got a new Status Era sun strip as well. Lovely. And the guy even give me all brand new side trims. Genuine Honda side trims. These ones here. Give me all brand new, genuine side trims on both sides, because he said to me, he said my other ones were looking a bit tired, so he gave me brand new ones, which is mega. So 75 quid, that was my excess to get a windscreen, new side trims, and mega. Just now I just have to be a dick and put a sun strip on it. It's going to be a cunt to do. So I've got some sticker guys that are coming, because we've got billions and billions and billions of vans that need stickering, and I'm going to get them to do it. So there won't be a video of me doing it, because I don't want to fuck it up, and I think they're like 15 quid or something, the sun strips off Status Era. So Status Era. Let's watch a Gianni video of Status Era. Where is fucking Gianni? Status Era. Scottish. I'm Gianni.
I'm Gianni, and I'm the owner of Status Era.
Status. So I've got a new window sticker anyway. That's from Status Era. It's over there. So today, I've got no engine cover. I've got no turbo cover. I'm in fuck middle of nowhere in the workshop. I'm in a corner because there's a fucking boxhole on my ramp. So I can't get my car back over there, and I can't really drive it as it is because I've got nothing on the actual turbo housing. Here, there is nothing on it. You can just spin it and spin it. So I don't really want to run it. Yeah, I don't really want to dick about with it because it, I just run the risk of fucking shit up. I've got new vac line, so smaller vac line, because that stuff's just way too big, and that was literally all this. Everything that got done last time that you saw was just to get me to Junkies. That wasn't a permanent thing. People were telling me to sell the bits and stuff, and it's like, oh shit, I just threw it in the bin. It's all in the bin. I'm gonna go get my new scuttle, and what I'm gonna do, till I change the exhaust, I'm gonna tape up that big massive thing under there. See that big massive thing? Let me come get you. Off you come. Right, see that big massive hole inside there? This, I'm gonna tape it up, because that's what all the exhaust gases are going in. Even if I put recirc on, it's still gassing us out. So 9th of December, after that, that'll be the last time with the bonnet exhaust, and then I'll be making a full 3-inch one. And I was just gonna buy one off AH Fabs, but I was like, you know what, 170 quid, or I just buy the lengths of 3-inch. I've got my TIG welder. What a way to get some practicing. So, other thing I'm gonna do, more things, more talking. 9 minutes of talking. I'm gonna move this. The fuel pressure regulator needs moving. I'm gonna move it under here. I've got a catch tank to do as well. I've got a catch tank to do. I've got loads to do. Always have loads to do, like a week before a show. So, I've got 2 weeks. I haven't got any parts back. I should have them back Wednesday. So hopefully I'm gonna try and get it done this week, and then I don't have to fuck around next week. Right, I'm gonna go do stuff. Yeah, stay with me. Yo! This is where I'm at. This is my cutout where my wastegate is. So I'm gonna tuck that behind. I've got to trim all this up nicely anyway. But I just literally coated the front of that. So hopefully it won't melt. There is some air gaps behind it, but I'll just have to see. It's not gonna look pretty, but I don't know what to do with this car. Whether to make it start looking nice and pretty, or to just leave it as it is. And there's too much stuff in the engine bay to just make it pretty, because it's going to be a ball ache. The engine sometime will be going in something else. We are getting rid of this EP3, because all I find myself doing at the minute is just browsing fucking Facebook and eBay and getting parts and just buying more and more stuff, and I just feel like my money's burning a big hole in my pocket, and I don't really want to spend any more on this. I just want to get it done now so I can drive it, get it remapped, and then just drive it till I decide what I'm doing. I'm going to whip this screamer pipe exhaust off there, and then I'm going to stick this on and try and bend it all down and see where I'm at. See where I'm at. La-di-da. So all I've done, I've pot riveted a piece of aluminium heat shield. I need to put some stuff in there, stop that. To this, bent it round, cut it all, made sure it's all away from everything that you can see down there if it's not light enough. So hopefully that should stop it from melting, or it'll accelerate the melting and get it really hot, which I don't think it will. I should have really put some of this the exhaust stuff between it, because I normally do when I normally make stuff. I think with that one I just lined it with this stuff because it doesn't burn. But it should be alright. It'll probably get warm, but it shouldn't get as hot as it was doing. You need to make little tile like boots for these, little heat boots, just to go around them like they do with the turbo. But hopefully, touch wood, we should be alright. I'm going to change this clamp here because I fucking hate it. I'm going to stick a CV boot one on like I've done with all the other stuff. That for tonight is all. I've still got a load to do. I'll be doing a video on the K-Pro and stuff like that because I've never messed with it. And I've just spoke to Chris at EFI, well, through email because he's paying it out, I can't really ring him. And he's told me to go into the settings on the boost solenoid and take it down by 10% and keep taking it down till it starts actually working. If it doesn't, then we might have a problem elsewhere. But that should be that. Right, anyway. Oh, I've not done a lot of work. I've literally just talked for a good amount of time. That's all I've done today, scuttle. That's all I am doing. I'm tired. It's my first day back at work after a week. You know what it's like when you're just like death. Like I am like death today. So I put my wipers on as well another day and shit like that. Can't be arsed. Hopefully my stuff should be here on Wednesday from Mark, so I can get my turbo built back up and then I can start going out and actually driving it to figure out what the fuck this problem is. Redo that, change that, do a bit of work, but I need it back on the ramp because it's shit doing it here. I don't like doing it, it's cold in this corner. Even though the heater's right there. Mega heater. Mega. I've been Stu, and I'll see you in a bit. Hopefully. Not as long as last time, eh?